That's good, because when he gets used to it, he'll turn up a little bit.
He can, yeah. Yawn.
Yeah, I've been working.
It's about time.
I'm like someone here.
That's cam intake.
That Nick Williams 2-inch American Racing headers.
Already had the rotofab on the baseline.
TSP ported heads, UPR catch can, R cam, full cam kit, and then some enhancing.
Yep, pump gas. Not doing E or anything. Sounds good.
It does.
The last few heads cam LT1 Camaro SSs we've done have been the same kind of gray color. Remember that New Mexico one before you put a Whipple on it?
Yeah. It's a good color. That's why all my trucks are that color.
Oh, Jesus. Why does Fran drive a Ford?
Because they make good trucks.
It's mainly the interior stuff. It's got, I mean,
not really, because Dodge has really nice
Dodge
interior too,
yeah.
but I just wouldn't own a Dodge. Dodge and Ford interiors are the best. GM interior, it's like an 81 Camaro.
Yeah, they're 10 years behind at least.
Terrible. Like, terrible, terrible, terrible. Like, the new Escalade looks sick inside. Real nice. Like, screens and
$100,000.
So is a brand new friggin' truck. I mean, 70 or 80 grand, fully loaded.
Yeah, but still, even like the base models to the fully loaded, the interior design doesn't really change.
It's just
much.
terrible.
Yeah.
Literally terrible. So I won't own one. Sorry, Chevy.
Unless they like jump 20 years.
Ford's got you destroyed in all that stuff.
Even all the tech in them, like your remote start from your phone and
like
all that stuff.
GM is 10 years behind.
Yeah.
I hate to say it, but they're 10 years behind. Literally 10 years. Too.
Yeah.
Not even exactly. Yeah, it's doing pretty good on a hot ass day.
Yeah,
it's close to 90. I was gonna say it's gonna be probably 90 degrees. Yeah, in here it's 90, I'm sure.
Yeah,
it's like 88 outside. Yeah, 87 outside. So
That's not bad. I said it just for you.
Thank you.
Just to make you happy.
I mean, you can't say anything else, so
It's pretty good. Wow.
you know. I mean, you could say those things, but I'm just saying that you don't.
Yeah. Whatever, just 2 trains.
I am here in about 7 seconds.
Let's go.
More than 7, actually. Like
It's 10 speed.
37.
Auto. Just do all gears.
No, it'll spin. I'm doing third
I
on.
was going to say when you started third.
Third, yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to
Fourth,
7th,
sixth,
I
seventh.
believe.
Okay.
Yeah. I am in 6th gear, and I shut it down at 145 miles an hour. This thing won't go faster than a quarter mile or really anywhere else, so I don't need to go to 180 and it's naturally aspirated and helps you on go.
So Eric is doing heads and I believe headers and intake on this C6Z. We based on this the other day. So I got the new heads on. Boarded, milled, GM stock castings, as always. ETR dual valve springs. Now this will still get ETR push rods, new plugs, 160 thermostat, obviously new gaskets and all that good stuff. Looking a little scruffy there, buddy. I think you need a haircut. Maybe a little beard trim.
I literally had a haircut last week, but
It's looking a little ratty.
I need to cut my beard.
Yeah, it's looking a little ratty.
Yeah, thanks, asshole.
Just stating the obvious. Looking a little homeless.
Yeah.
Little Texas Speed, short block, our heads cam, D1-X, our fuel system, our meth system.
MSD, Mamo MSD.
Made like 604 NA last time I was here.
Yep. Just a little lower compression on the short block as opposed to if it was just a heads cam setup. But he was preparing for this.
And as you said before, you're never going to make as much.
I mean, we did the build less than 6 months ago. So yeah, about 6 months ago.
Yep. Been enjoying it.
Should made what, 604 or something like that. Should make at least 610 now.
I'm thinking 19. I know we're wrong. Changing your attitude a little bit, that might be pretty close.
No, not even 9 pounds.
8.75.
Yeah. It's doing good though.
That's a lot of power for
I like setup like as opposed to stock short block, I can't put any timing in them. These things I can actually put timing in so they can make power.
Right.
Because I'm not scared of a paper mache piston as opposed to this thing I can put some cylinder pressure in the thing.
Yeah, that's pretty killer.
Yeah, it'll probably make 850 now, my guess. Let's see, that was Yeah, it might make 850 now. On the third pull, I think. This will be the fourth pull, will be the third full pull.
Okay.
Second full pull, actually.
It's funny. It's funny hearing a Procharger on these because it's so much louder than the A&M.
Yeah.
I'm not used to actually hearing the blower. About 10 pounds right now. I think you should be pretty happy with that. I guess Bill said he wanted around 850. Well,
Yeah.
that's a lot of power for this blower.
It's doing good.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
Yeah. It's a good little unit.
And it's not really even overspun or anything.
No, it's only making 10 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah, not overspun at all.
Right.
What's it, 425 or something, pulley?
425 pulling.
But yeah, no, not overspun at all.
This thing
I mean,
definitely
if it was
has some
overspun, it would make like 18 pounds or whatever.
Yeah. Well, I think we're well over the power he wanted, so.
Well, that's good, because when he gets used to it, he's still turning up a little bit.
He can, yeah. Yeah. It's a good little build.
Yeah, it is going to be a fun little car.
For sure.
Car has like
Down.
4,500 miles on it.
Yeah.
I didn't know that until
It's a
yesterday.
13 with like nothing on it yet.
Really? Car? 5,400, yeah.
He's put about 1,000 on it.
Has he?
Yeah. Since that's game, January. Yeah.